Hi friends, I'm Melissa, and this is Melissa in real life, and this is Kennedy, my daughter, and today we are going to make some pancakes, chocolate chip pancakes, and bacon. So, I measure literally nothing, but you gotta start with self-rising flour, and it's important that it's self-rising, or otherwise they're gross and flat. Pour some, like 2 cups, about-ish. I'm going to have to edit this to get out of all of Kennedy's laughing at me and eye rolling. So, then get half a stick of butter and put it in the microwave for like 20 seconds so you can get it melted. But that'll do.
Let's see.
Can I see it?
So, just so you know, she's measuring without being able to see, so this is going to suck, probably.
I'm not measuring, though. Okay. We're going to try, usually I use milk, but we had some leftover buttermilk, so we're going to see what happens with this. And probably like...
You know that's really bad when your butter turns brown on your pan.
half a cup. Yes, it's very bad.
That means it's more fat.
Don't burn. And like 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla-ish. I make pancakes all the time. I just don't use buttermilk usually. And an egg.
Put the eggs on the counter!
First, no, it's not.
Put your glasses on, dude.
We're going to have Eric in the background making noises. Alright, and then flour, butter, nice and melted, and a little bit of salt, and like 2 teaspoons of sugar to make it a little bit sweet. And then mix it up. And it's probably going to be pretty thick. How's bacon going, Kennedy? While you're making
Very slowly.
Very slowly. I told you you could hit pancakes. It's going to be very, very thick, and then I just use water to make it so it's runny.
You didn't show them what it looks like.
Very thick. I just put like a little bit in at a time until it's very melted. Let's pause for a second. Now it is super thin, and I already turned the burner on and put some butter in there.
You forgot chocolate chips.
I know, I'm not going to put those yet.
have a plate ready for me, please?
Usually I use a ladle to scoop it out, but they don't have a ladle. What did you ask her for?
Plate.
This is Jessica, Kennedy's wife. She's trying not to be in the video, so we're gonna have her in the video. That's the bacon.
Not cooking.
Very well. All right. What is that cooking? Maybe she's switching burners. I don't think she's very hot.
That's the one that gets used the most. Where's the chocolate chip?
I'm going to put them in. Oh my gosh. I'm just putting them on one after. Done enough for you? Now, we're going to let it cook until it's bubbly on top. When it's bubbly on top, then we're going to flip it over. And boom, we're going to have chocolate chip pancakes. Say bye.
Bye.